Hello, good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to conduct a webinar regarding the parenting challenges during pandemic. So, thank you, parents, for joining me. And without wasting any time, so let's get started. If you have questions during the session, you please write it down. We will discuss it at the end of the session, right? If you feel comfortable, then you can put on your video too. Okay, so let's get started. Am I audible? Please write in the chat if you are listening to me. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. So today's session about parenting challenges during pandemic. Right. So topic will be covered in this session, this concept of parenting, effects of COVID-19 on parents, effects of COVID-19 on children, parenting tips for stressed out, basics of conscious parenting, steps to effective parenting. So first, concept of parenting. We as a parent always ensure the all-round development of our child, right? So, parenting is a process that enables the raising of a child from infancy to adulthood. It ensures the physical, intellectual, social, and emotional development of a child. Effects of COVID-19 on parents. Virtual schooling. Now, schools get closed down, so children are at home and study has to go on. So, virtual schooling, then kids' virtual schoolwork will have to get engaged along with the children for the schoolwork as well as homework. Remote working. Many of us, we are working at home due to the pandemic. And social distancing is another important point because we cannot get outside and gather uh, people and discuss about our outbreaks and all. So, social distancing is a very important point nowadays. Run the household. That is also another important point which we cannot ignore. So, we'll have to do the cooking, cleanliness, and everything the house requires. And most importantly, occupying the same space by all. We are not going to office and we all are at home. Kids are also at home. So we are occupying the same space. And every time we get into the conflict very often. Financial pressure. If any of the parents lost his or her job, it also plays an important role. Now coming to the effects of COVID-19 on children. Inequalities in education. Earlier, teacher teacher is earlier teacher focus on can focus many children at a time, but during this virtual schooling, it's quite impossible for the teacher to give the focus to each and every one. So inequalities in education came into place. Increase of anxiety. Who are at this teenage, they are also their anxiety increases is because whether the boards are also get cancelled and every time the uh, uh, means to judge them the process also get changed, so anxiety increases. Increase of weight due to less physical activity, there is an increase in weight. Increase of aggressiveness because they are not interacting with their teammates and their co-partners or their uh, fellow mates in the school, and they are not able to share their thoughts and all, so they become aggressive nowadays. Increase of social disconnection due to the limitations to social gathering and to free mixing with the people, so this leads to the increase of social disconnection. Increase of addiction to social media. Every time this virtual schooling has to be done, then working the things online has to be done, and it slowly gets addicted to the social media as well. Tips for parents for stressed out. Join online parenting communities. Less focus on negative media. Spend quality time with your children. Spend time with the nature. Reconsider your present situation from a new angle. There is a saying that if you spend time with the nature, maybe you walk on the ground on a bare foot, or you stand in front of the sunlight for about 5 to 10 minutes a day, so it will directly impact on your mental health and it keeps the balance between your mind and body. If you face any situation and you become anxious or you become worried, only you keep calm, observe it, and try to look at the situation from a new angle. Basics of conscious parenting. Focus on your expectations and your own language before correcting your child. Stop focusing on desires, your ego, and your attachment. Always use positive reinforcement to fix a problem that leads to diminishes the tantrum. There is a saying too, awaken the genius in your child through conscious parenting. So don't get involved into your thoughts, don't impose to your child. Rather, allow them to be developed independently with their thoughts and analyze their thoughts and help them to write, to think in a best possible way. Steps to effective parenting. Schedule a fixed time to get engaged with your child. Create a flexible but consistent daily routine, and that routine has to be followed by you too. Set a goal and celebrate of its completion. Be a role model for your child's behavior. Do whatever you want to get from your child and be stick to that. Keep a close observation on your child while on social media. Thank you. Happy parenting. So I'll stop sharing my screen here. Okay, so do you have any question? Okay, so see, basically, parenting is a vast topic, and every day we are facing something or the other. So it's not get solved in one session or two. If you if you want to continue, and I am a parenting coach, so you please get in touch with me so that I can give you the solution wherever you face any challenge while raising your kid. Thank you, parents, for your valuable time. So we'll call it for the day and we'll end up the meeting here.